This tutorial will guide you through the process of changing your birthday on Roblox. Whether you want to update your age or simply correct an error, this step-by-step guide will help you navigate the process easily. So, let's get started. So first, locate the Roblox app. After you locate the Roblox app, tap on it to open the Roblox app. After you open the Roblox app, make sure that you log into your account. As you can see, mine is already logged in. After you log into your Roblox account, click on the More tab, which is located at the left side of the screen with an icon of a circle with 3 horizontal dots. While we're in the More tab, click on the Settings tab beside the Account tab so that we can proceed. While we're in the Settings tab, click on the Account Info so that we can proceed. While we're in Account Info, click the Edit icon, which looks like a pen writing on a paper, in the Personal section. From here, you can edit your birthday if you want. After editing your birthday, click the Continue button to finish editing your birthday. Changing your birthday on Roblox is a straightforward process that involves logging in, accessing your settings, and updating your information. By following these steps, you can easily keep your account information accurate. If you have any further questions or need assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to Roblox support.